Hello everyone, if you have ever created a sales order or a purchase order in Odoo, you have probably noticed the contact dropdown shows everyone. Customers, vendors, even internal contacts all mixed together. This can confuse users, lead to mistakes, and slow down the process. For example, in a sales module where you create sales orders, someone might accidentally select a vendor instead of a customer. This happens simply because the list isn't filtered. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to solve this using Odoo Studio. I will use the existing tags in the contact form where we already tag records as customer, vendor, or both, and apply smart domain filters in sales and purchase orders to clean up the dropdown and reduce confusion. Let's get started. So for this, let's go to the Contacts app. Open any contact. For example, I am opening this Azure Interior Service. And here you can see the tags field. So here I am adding vendor and customer. Now, these tags will be the basis of our filtering logic in sales and purchase apps. Now, let's go to the sales app. Press the new button to create a sales order. Here on the top right corner, you can see the Odoo Studio icon. So press it and select the customer field. Here you will see the domain option. Press here and you will find a pop-up where you can add filter. So I am adding new rule. Tags is in customer. Confirm. Now close. Now in this sales app, while creating sales order, you press the customer and only see those contacts that has a customer in their tags. So we are seeing Azure Interior. Do the same in purchase app as well. Let's go to the purchase app. Create a new purchase order. Press this Odoo Studio. Before pressing that, you can see all the contacts here are showing. There are 94 contacts. And now let's press the Odoo Studio icon. Press the vendor. Click the domain option and new rule. Tags is in vendor. Confirm. Close. Now you can see only those contacts that has vendor in their tags. You can see only 2 contacts here. So this is how with just a few clicks you have made your contact selection smarter and more structured using the tags field and Odoo Studio with no coding needed.